Ivan, um, and he's happy to review the plugins with his team, which is great, and he's also offered to offer any extra security advice for the whole project that we need. So it's just a case of getting the list of plugins for him to review and sending them over to him.
Okay. Can you add that to the pad here? I just made you a bullet point for it. So ideally, before, as we're getting ready for the meeting, we should get better with the meeting notes, and we can all sort of dump these updates in before we talk about them, just so it's a real quick, skim and move on. Okay, I see there's some stuff under discourse. If anybody has anything else they want to bring up before we do the MCS inventory, drop it in the Etherpad, and then like in the agenda section, and then if not, then we'll move quickly. I hear typing, but I don't see words showing up.
Oh, I was typing in a different. What am I filling in?
Your notes from the security process for plugins, it's under the review action items from previous meeting. So action. So see how we've thrown in some notes following up on the action items. So toss in your follow-up. I've been doing it for everybody.
I'm lost.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Screen share. I found it. Yes. Is that what I want to share? I'll share that one. All right. Can you see my screen?
No. Oh, I can now.
Okay. So here. Oh, I can't.
Oh, so we're going to
I can also do
that. For a bit.
Yes, there. That also works. Okay.
Okay. Right.
How do I stop screen sharing? There. Okay, it stopped sharing my screen. Okay, so I assume the discourse updates are Yusuf?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that first. It's pretty quick ones.
Mm-hmm.
So we've moved over to Docker, which is sort of a new container system for Linux, and that should make updates really easy now. We should only be spending 5 or 10 minutes. So that should minimize downtime. Thanks to Rogan and Tanex for doing that. And I've also been working on the web app manifest file. Pretty simple, just a couple of lines, and we've submitted that to the Firefox Marketplace now. So we're just waiting on the service to get those on there, and we should be able to go public with that so people can download the app and have a mobile sort of version for Discourse.
Nice. Are you interested in other, like, who in the group is interested in doing feature hacking and developing of Discourse and not just it?
I mean, I expressed interest because I do. Well, I mean, I know basic Ruby. I learned it in high school, so I could probably do some like a plugin if I figure out like the basic structure of them and how to implement them.
Okay, so not a lot of people, which is fine. Okay, good to know. So anything else from any of the other?
In terms of WordPress, another thing we're waiting on is a SSL certificate from OPSEC. So once we have that, we can secure the admin panel. And I don't know if you knew about this, but Bugzilla wants to move their website over to our multi-site installation of WordPress.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been in touch with Mark Cote.
Yes. I saw some of the conversation, actually.
Yeah. So he's been like getting people. He had me create accounts for different Mozilla employees who will be transferring over the content, which we had to delete because we rebuilt the site again. But that's fine.
Okay.
But once we have the SSL cert in place, we'll create those accounts again and let them start moving over content. So yeah.
Okay. Drop little recappy notes of that in the notes.
Sure.
Okay. Anything else? All right. Let's do. Okay. So we need the MCS page. This is where we're. Okay. Yay! I found it.
One more thing. Sorry.
That's okay.
We should address our new contributor, probably.
Oh, yes. Welcome. So, someone introduce him.
Oh, I can introduce myself.
Okay.
My name's Scott. I just recently found out about community IT, and I just wanted to help out with some automation efforts. I thought there seemed to be a need for help with Puppet, so I'd be glad to help out if I can.
Ooh, awesome. So, who should we pair up with Scott to get them all caught up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Scott, are you available for 45 seconds after the call?
Yeah, sure. I'll be around the IRC room, so just let me know.
Cool. Scott, how did you come to us? Are you a Mozilla contributor otherwise, or?
Yeah, I was helping out with the Incom tools for, and then I was asking about helping out with more infrastructure work because it's the kind of stuff that I'm more interested in, I guess, and I was pointed over here.
Oh, cool. That's awesome. Nice.
Who did you say referred to you, by the way, Scott?
His George, I guess, Justino.
Oh, that name's familiar. Okay, so yes, I guess you'd be a little lost for some of this. So we've been, Mozilla IT has been offering a hosting for community sites. So like Mozilla India or Mozilla Ireland, and we've been helping manage that. That's sort of where the community IT group was born. So what we need to do is we need an inventory of the sites that we actually host and to make sure that we have contact information for them. So right now we have on the wiki page I just shared in the chat, and I will also share on IRC. There's already a table, but we should add. Okay, there is a column for bug. I wonder if there's a way to make it linkified, but that's fine. So, sorry. So yeah, so we want to make sure, we want to add a column for contact info, and we also want to make sure that the contact info is good, and we want to make sure that this is a complete list, and we probably want to make the table sortable and stuff like that.
Yeah, I can do that probably. And add links to all the bugs. I mean, in terms of the bugs, are these I mean, I'm assuming the ones there right now are the migration bugs that I filed? Or are they the ones for the creation?
The ones for the creation.
Okay. So are they going to be just general tracking bugs, or?
No, this is our inventory of the sites that we've created
Okay.
and that we're managing. So we want to make sure that all of the community sites, all of them, are in this list.
Okay. Yeah, I don't seem to have access to most of them. But...
I can grant you Mozilla rep so you can access them actually.
Oh, well, I mean, I'll get that soon anyway, probably, but,
I'll just go down to your account.
I'm making an Etherpad for this as well so that it's easier for us to collaborate and dump information. And I will share that in IRC.
I'll also send you a link to my search for Community IT 2 building. Okay, I've granted you Mozilla reps.
thank you, Ted.
So I guess the best process would be one process we could do is go through the bugs and look for all of the ones that were approved, but I think it makes more sense to if there's a way to get a listing from the servers somehow to make sure that we don't miss anything.
We've already taken a list from our shared servers, and I can get a list of the host names on the Getting Dedicated server as well.
It's hard to understand you. We already got a list from the shared servers, and is that the list that's already on the wiki? Is that complete, or do you need to dump it somewhere, like in the Etherpad I just made?
I don't think this list is complete, but I could be wrong. And we should probably also have a column for if they have WordPress instances. And also probably a link to the website in the country column.
Scott's the only one on the Etherpad. Come on, guys.
Oh, right, supposed to be on the Etherpad.
So I've copied the... This is a pain. There we go. These are all the ones that are already on the wiki page. Oh, let's do it the other way. And then, so since a bunch of us are working on it, it would be easier for us to drop the info in the Etherpad and then have one of us edit the wiki, because the wiki doesn't handle collaboration, real-time collaboration.
I'm lost again.
I'll PM it to you, Ted. Or no, it's in the chat.
Yeah, it's in the Google chat and in IRC.
Oh.
No.
Yeah. Although it sounds like
Okay.
you're bugged, Ocean.
What?
It sounds like you're by the ocean. Oh, not anymore. Oh, now it's gone.
Can you hear me now?
Now it's really low.
How about now?
Now it's medium. It's like mediocre.
Can you hear me okay? And does it sound like I'm in a dishwasher?
Good enough.
Thank you.
Okay.
I fixed it. Okay, so I've made a template. So we want to know the community name, the bug number, contact name. We want to know if they're responsive, but that can come after. Just pull the name from the bug. Ooh, good point. Domain.
I do have a list of what I know we are running on the servers. I don't know if they're all being actively used or if that's a total list, but
Yeah, anything that's on the servers, throw that in, and then maybe one of the information. One of the things we want to collect in the inventory is, yeah, like last change date, or I don't know how you would define active, but
that list that I just put on chat and IRC, I wrote some script in it, made sure that they're all hosted on the servers, and yeah. So those are all at the least what we have.
okay. I'm just looking at this now.
And your keyboard is very loud.
Yeah, but some kind of keyboard, something keyboard.
It's only a MacBook keyboard.
Then your fingers are very fast.
I'm just typing.
Do we want to do this? Would it make sense to do this on Fabricator instead of in the Etherpad, or is the Etherpad still better for collaboration?
Well, I mean,
Fabricator, because if you can link that to the then
well, the thing is, though, like, if we're doing this instead of the wiki because it's not real time, then going to Fabricator wouldn't really make sense, because that's
Okay.
just like the wiki, but in a less efficient way.
Okay, so then maybe rather than putting, so all this information that we're collecting, we should keep it in Fabricator because it's not really necessary for people going to our wiki page. But for the hosted communities, okay. So this information we're collecting now and a bunch of the stuff that's already on the MCS hosting wiki, that should be kept in Fabricator. But we should still have this table, but it should have like the name of the community and the link to the community and maybe some other information. Okay, so I'm going to add this to the top of the Etherpad. We'll store this info in Fabricator.
Could we move it to Google Drive, then link somewhere, because the tables on Fabricator and the wiki and everything are all quite difficult to use for lots of information.
So, sorry, you're saying that if we do this on Google Drive, then it'll be easier to copy it over?
Yeah, it'll be easier to add information and just generally use it, because the wiki tables and things like that are all quite tedious.
Okay, yeah, sure, make a Drive document, and then the Etherpad will just be the list of instructions.
Okay.
Oh, and Ted, there was a Google Drive document with the contact names for the site, right?
Yeah, I've got that.
So can you link that to either the Etherpad or the Google Doc where we're collecting all the sites?
I'm not comfortable with making that public document, simply because it's got people's contact information and I haven't asked them if I can make it public.
But it's their Bugzilla contact information, right?
No, it's actual people who have come and put their details into a form.
Okay, can you make it,
You'll have to put the browser on the bottom.
but isn't it their, I'm confused. Can we make it public for now and only who has the link? And then we'll, because we only need it right now for,
Or you
for,
could just share it with
collaborating.
each of us.
I can put it into the Hangouts chat. I just ask that you don't put it on public IRC or anything, that's all.
Oh, okay.
There's a couple of people's phone numbers and Skype names and things like that.
Yeah, no, we want the name and email. We don't want the rest of it.
Oh, that's on there as well.
So if you could just, whatever document we're using right now, just copy the name and emails over to that document, and that should be fine to be public.
I've put a link in the Hangouts chat to the main document.
Okay. Let me take a look.
And I can add people to edits as well.
But Ted, you're making another document for the actual inventory, right?
Let me do that.
And also, I can't find Mozilla France anywhere, either on Bugzilla or on the internet.
You should speak to Artel. It doesn't look like they've got a website actually.
Mozilla, it's Mozilla.fr, right?
No, that
No.
just redirects to Mofo.
Interesting. Did they take it down?
It's quite possible with the red one there.
I can check the web archive.
Because I'm sure it was Mozilla.fr.
Wait, I actually think I remember seeing the server in our list of renewals. So I get an email every couple of weeks.
Mozilla.fr is owned by Mozilla, but it looks like they changed something, at least in Whois on July 21st.
It looks like it used to redirect to mozilla-europe.org.
Oh.
Oh, so it probably shut down when Mozilla Europe.
Oh yeah, it still redirects to Mozilla Europe, but then that redirects to Mofo.
There's French Mozilla.fr.
Right.
But yeah, if we could get, where's the Drive document that we're gonna, there's no point in collecting this info
Oh,
and saying it out loud and then losing it.
I'm creating a document now.
Oh yeah, what is French Mozilla?
I'll put it in the Etherpad for now.
Where's Hangouts from?
French Mozilla is owned by French Mozilla, and it's hosted by Gandhi.
That's very nice of him.
Not Mahatma. Is that our community say? I guess not. It does say Mozilla Communities in the footer. Maybe we should...
Sorry, it's it's my ID card printer. Let me see if I can turn it off. I printed a card.
Turning it off does the opposite of off. That's
Please
awesome.
try
But I'm not sure if that is like bad for it or something. I think it's supposed to cool down something.
Ted, can you give us edit access?
I just did. You should have got an email. It sent an email to you for some reason.
Oh, I see.
Yay! Now it's sortable. Well, it will be once it loads.
Wait, shouldn't we? Oh, yeah. Never mind.
Spin, spin, spin. There we go. Woohoo! I think I have too many Google tabs open. My browser's freaking out. Stop script.
I'm going to have to. Can someone fire extinguisher low on battery or something?
Wait, who made it yellow? Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna recopy the country list from the wiki to start, and then. Oh, where?
can we not make it purple?
Oh my god, seriously, guys?
Guys, please.
Alright. Make the whole thing like that, and then make borders.
No borders.
Borders!
Alright, I put filters on so that we can sort.
Okay. Let's put the email in a different column. Okay. And I'm moving, I'm putting the bug first, because we might be able to get the bug, but not the URL. Move. It won't move. Everyone's
I moved it. Wait. There we go.
Damn it. There we go. Yes, that's better. And now this lousy green border is missing a column. No green border. Okay, guys, come on. If you have this much time on your hands, fill in the info.
How do you kill the border?
I don't know, I tried to. You kill it by ignoring it. If you don't believe in it, it doesn't exist.
I'm not sure it works that way in PeopleDoc.
I'll file a feature. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. A feature request.
No, that's not.
Really, guys? This is all the info we have on the table.
Sorry,
Right.
something's come up. I'm kind of switching between this and Skype.
Ray, why did that happen?
I sorted the sheet alphabetically, so
Oh, because it changed the row I was working on in the middle
yeah.
of editing.
Okay, so right now you guys are just copying and pasting, right?
Yeah.
I'm typing.
In theory. Oh, hey, Croatia has a bug number. All right.
I can help out, but I don't have access, so
Oh, Scott, can you like put your email address somewhere and I'll share it with you?
sure, I'll add it to the chat.
Oh, I've just opened Firebug. What am I doing?
I'm pulling the bug numbers from the hosting wiki.
I'll linkify them.
Okay.
So, Scott, you mentioned that you're interested in Puppet.
Yes.
What sort of experience have you got with Puppet so far?
Just at work, I've set up a couple Puppet, like gone through a couple Puppet tasks. Nothing extensive, but I can definitely ramp up to whatever level you need.
Did I send you our GitHub link with?
Yeah, you did. I haven't had a chance to look at it yet, but I can start looking at it later today.
Sure. When you have a look, let me know whereabouts you are in there. If you're beyond our amateurness, or if there's things there that you don't understand or anything like that, and then we can start finding you some tasks that you can work on.
Sure, sounds good.
Okay.
Oh, we need a new column.
Is Mozilla Uganda the one that I've had massive difficulties with, or thinking of something different? We have a Spanish community. Never seen that. I haven't seen half of these communities.
Wait, who put no in all the rows for email? I mean, there must be someone with an email.
Yeah, don't put
Oh.
no.
Sorry, that was me. I was just copying what's in the table.
Oh. No. Now that I've... Oh, I see what you did. Okay.
Oh,
That's...
mail hosting.
Yes. Yes.
Wait, do we want to keep track of whether they host email?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's create a new column for contact email.
No, that was for contact email. Okay.
Well, now we have a contact email column.
Okay. It'll be all right.
Wait.
So for the hosting column, is this correct? Like I'm pasting like OVH dedicated or OVH?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just when someone selects it, I think.
No. Tanner. I can see you.
We can't hear you there. You're muted.
I'm not doing anything.
You're the only one touching that square.
What square? Oh, yeah, but I'm not changing it.
Oh god.
Who's the anonymous duck? I think
Me.
more like anonymous dick. Stop changing our colors.
I'm in Geometry mode.
Okay.
You have to sign out.
Kenzie, it looks like you're in that cell.
Yeah, now Logan is. No, I clicked out. Everyone click out of that box. Okay, seriously. Okay. Now I'm gonna watch. If you click in there, I'm not doing anything else, I'm just watching. See what you've made me do. Tab, don't do it.
Hey Yusuf, what's the package for the host command? Do you remember?
Seriously?
It's bind9-host.
DNS utils.
Yeah, that sounds like it.
Oh, I thought you wanted an Ubuntu package.
Why would I use Ubuntu?
Ubuntu. Doesn't Arch have an equivalent of command not found?
No, but
Yeah, it just doesn't show the.
It crashes.
like, not only does your command not exist, you can't stop it for
There's some thing you can install, but if you mistype a command, it just defaults to rf root. Oh. Oh, you already filled it all in.
Okay, underneath here, I'm dumping the domains from the contact.
Alright, who made active pink? I'm looking at the revision history.
Okay, so I've dumped the domains from that poll underneath. Because you can see that we have some domains that will match up with countries, and then we have some domains that don't have a country entered. So we can, like for example, Jordan, I will insert and put Jordan there.
Wait, what is
I
it?
will.
I'm going to go while
Oh, bye.
Wait, so what is the contact form domain?